So, what actually is an MCP server? At its simplest, MCP, or Model Context Protocol, is a standard way for an AI model to talk to software outside of the model, like ServiceNow. Here's the problem it solves. A model like Claude is really good at reasoning and writing and figuring out what needs to happen next. What it's not good at on its own, though, is actually doing anything. It can't log into your instance, it can't run a query, it can't click a button. MCP is how it gets to do those things. There are three pieces worth knowing. There's the client, that's the AI application itself. Claude in our case, the thing a person is actually chatting with. There's the server, that's the program that mediates between the AI and the software by exposing a specific set of capabilities to the AI and knowing how to actually go do the work in the software when asked. And then there are the MCP tools. A tool is one specific action the server offers up, like getting the details of an incident or updating a record. Each tool has a name, a description, and a defined set of inputs. When you're chatting with Claude and it needs to do something real, it looks at the tools available to it, decides which one fits what you're asking for, fills in the inputs, and then asks the server to run it. That's really it. The client asks, the server does the work, the tool defines what's possible. One thing worth flagging early. You might already be thinking about how this compares to something like a Now Assist skill, since that's also a way of giving AI a specific capability inside ServiceNow. And that's a good instinct. Hang on to that question. We'll come back to it directly once we get to the tools chapter later in this series. For now, just hang on to the idea that client, server, and tool are the three pieces of this puzzle. Those three words are basically all you need to follow along with everything else in this series. Next up, what this actually looks like once it lands on the ServiceNow platform.